Hey guys, welcome to Bridie Bakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put together a cookie stack cake. This is a brilliant alternative to a layer cake if you don't have a lot of equipment around at home, or even if you're just not really a cake person. You don't need any turntables or scrapers or anything like that. You just need some cookies, some buttercream or whatever filling you want to use, and a few little decorations to brighten it up. I'm doing this on a cake board because that's what I've got lying around, but you can just as easily do this straight onto a plate or a cake stand or anything like that. Now with your cookies, I prefer a nice soft chewy cookie, and I've made mine quite big today as well for my little cookie cake, but you can go with whatever you've got lying around at home. So the first thing we're going to do is secure our cookie to our plate or board, and we're just going to use a bit of buttercream to stick that down. And just squish that down so it's nice and secure. Now it's time to do our first buttercream layer, and you can do this however you want really. You just want to make sure that it's nice and even, so you don't want it coming up in the middle or anything. So you could do a swirl all the way around. I've got a nice French tip on, so I think I'm going to do some little starry kind of blobs. Now I'm going to be piping around the edges first because that's the bit that's going to be seen, so you want it to be really nice and neat. But also keep in mind that once we put the next cookie on and the rest of the layers, it's going to squish down a little bit as well, so you don't want to have it right on the edge. Just pipe it in just a little bit so that it's got a bit of room to squish out. So piping around the outside. And then once that's all done, you can go and fill in the middle. Once you've done the outside bit, you could even fill in the middle with something oozy like a caramel or a ganache or something like that, so that when you break into your cookie cake, it's going to ooze out. I'm actually going to take some ganache and just drizzle over the whole thing. Now we're going to pop on our next cookie, and you can press it down a little bit to secure it, but you don't want to squish all that nice filling out. So gently pressing. And now we're just going to repeat that process over and over again until you've built it up with however many layers you want. So piping blobs all around the outside. Again, don't get too close to the edge. And then just fill in the middle. Do a little drizzle over the top. And next cookie. So I have got my last cookie on the top, and I love how it's looking, but I'm going to jazz it up a little bit with some sprinkles, and you can put on whatever decorations you want. So I'm going to do one last layer of buttercream just to stick everything on the top. Now you'll be able to see all of the piping for this one, not just the ones around the edges, so make sure you're getting everything nice and neat. So now's the fun bit where you get to go wild with your decorations. I'm using some colourful sprinkles, some strawberries, some Oreos, and some maltesers as well. And I'm going to show you how to turn them into little gold balls. So all you need for this is a little container, your maltesers, and some gold luster dust. Now you can use whatever colour you want, obviously. I like gold, it fancies it up a little bit, a bit of bling bling. You can even use edible paints if you want. Just be aware that you're going to have to let them dry before you use them. So all you need to do here is pop your maltesers into your container and pop a little bit of gold dust in there with them. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't need too much. Close the lid up And then make sure no one's trying to sleep while you do this next bit, because it can get a little bit noisy, but you're just gonna shake it all up until it's all nicely covered and you've got some gorgeous gold balls. Now open it up and look at that awesome gold coverage. So now we're just gonna pile everything on top. You can be as neat or as messy as you want. Have some fun with it and it's going to look amazing whatever you do. I'm going to finish it off with a drizzle of ganache. And pop some strawberries on. Some little Oreos. And some of those awesome gold balls. And the last thing that I'm going to do is pop on a candle, and there we have a perfect little birthday treat. Hope you guys have a bit of fun making your own cookie cakes. Definitely give this video a like and tag me if you do have a go, because I want to see them all, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.